Meaning of deceitful.
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 Deceitful. The word deceitful refers to a person who is dishonest and prone to deceiving others. Such a person may use lying, trickery, or other deceptive tactics for personal gain or to avoid consequences. Deceitful individuals often lack integrity and can be manipulative in their dealings with others. They may present a false facade to hide their true intentions or feelings, and they may be skilled at misleading or confusing others. Overall, someone who is deceitful is untrustworthy and can cause harm to those around them.